Hi, this is David Straight with Weathermatic Tech Services, and today I wanted to discuss with you how to correct an incorrect time error when displayed underneath your controller when logging into a site. So first thing we want to do is open up the said controller. Now the controller page is open. We can see some general information here about that controller, the current controller date, which we can see is off, when the system last updated to the network, the run status of the system, its signal strength, the watering mode, and the sensor condition, or in this case it's bypassed. So what we want to do here is go ahead and click on Change Settings. Now you can see several windows have popped up here. So let's go ahead and change this from the 3rd to the 6th. And now I am on the Eastern time zone, so I'm going to get the time updated to 11:05 and update my time zone. Then we're going to save that. And as you can see, the screen says successfully updated basic settings. And now off to the right here, you can see that we have a send button. So the panel has not yet received this information, just the network. So now we need to initiate the send by pressing or clicking on the orange send button. And you can see it now says send in progress, and that we're currently communicating with the SmartLink controller as shown above in the blue banner there. So here in a moment, this information will be updated to our controller's panel. And as you can see, the send was completed successfully. So now at this time, we can just hit clear faults. And the next time the controller is received, that information will no longer appear under your site list. So let's go back to my site. And as you can see, D-Straight 101, the error has now been corrected, and we're current and up to date. Thank you for watching this video. Have an awesome day. If you need any support, please feel free to email us at support@weathermatic.com or call us at 888-484-3776. Again, thank you and have an awesome day.